everyone, welcome back to Plaid Guy's Garage. Today, it's November 11th, and so I figured what a better time to show you 11 new products that we have hitting the market this fall that have been requested by yous. But before we get into it, I want to say a big thank you to all the subscribers of this channel. You've been really helping me along recently, so thank you for sticking around. We're going to try to get more videos back out there again, coming almost bi-weekly for you. So thank you, and if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor. Hit that little button down there to say like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get into it and see what these 11 new products are that have been requested by you. The first thing is this pair of anchors with some rope. They're both mid-sized, so they're nice companions. You can have them attached or you can have them standalone depending on how you want to hang these on your wall. I can finish them with different colors, but here we have just a simple black finish. Very good for a contrast on a white wall or a light colored wall. Next up, continuing with the nautical theme, we have this lighthouse. Standing very tall at almost 17 inches tall. We ended up having a nice rock base, a little bit of contrast with the white as it goes up, a few windows. Very simple piece. Again, very good for the nautical. We had a customer that really wanted some nautical themed things, and so we have a couple of items coming through that are expanding our collection. Up next, we're going to continue still with the sailboat. Now this is a larger piece and a little bit more delicate. We have the sailboat here with some waves underneath. This I could finish with the sails white, but again, the person just wanted it all black for this case. They wanted that silhouette effect on the wall. So again, very beautiful sailboat, lots of curves, lots of lines. Really draws your eye in when it pops out on that white surface. Now moving into underwater, we have some animals coming in. This is a sea turtle. So another larger, this is about 16.5 inch round. It'll hang beautifully on the wall. You have a large sea turtle with some coral around the bottom. Very simple design. Will be a gorgeous entryway piece for the fall season or for the spring even. The person that this is going to wanted to paint it themselves. They wanted to put some vibrant colors on the shell. So I've just coated it with black for now to make it easier for them to paint once they receive it. All of these products are also available to be going outside, so I coat them first and I seal them so that way if you paint them anyway, they should still be good for outdoor weather and not deteriorate over time. Continuing on, we now go to a more beach tropical theme. This one is a couple of tropical trees with a couple of, forget the name of them, flamingos. So we got a couple of flamingos here with a little bit of a water trail that comes down the middle. Again, this is going to the same person with the sea turtle, and they wanted to paint it. So normally I would have painted the flamingos pink and had the trees bright green, but they wanted to add their own style to it. So again, this is just going out, ready for them to do their thing. Switching gears a little bit, we're moving into animal lover still with this half moon cat and floral piece. Here you can see we have a cat reaching up at some flowers with a butterfly at the top on this crescent moon. Great for a cat lover. This one is meant to be a silhouette. Very hard to paint this differently, so it can be done, but you'd have to spend a lot more hours on it, which would then drive our cost way up, and we are trying to keep our costs low on these products. So this one is a silhouette model only. Now moving into a bit more of the fun stuff. For Christmas season, we had a customer that wanted a bunch of name tags for their kids' rooms, similar to ones we've seen in the past on this channel. So we had some requests for a excavator. This one will be going out to a lucky boy this Christmas. Again, nice simple design. Large enough to cover a good space, not too big for a doorway. We don't want to make these too large that they're overwhelming on the door, but enough that the kids can really enjoy them. Continuing down that path, we had another one who really enjoyed dinosaurs, and so we have right here our new dinosaur cutout. Got that lime green background to really make the name pop and get those eyes popping out there. This one's a little bit smaller again, but still a good size for someone's doorway. And hopefully the kids are going to love this one this holiday season. Finally, the last child was a huge Kiss fan, so we have this more simplistic Kiss cutout with the band, and then their name up top in bright orange, so it really stands out. Definitely a little bit larger, but to get the details of the faces on the Kiss band, it had to blow up a little bit, so this one will be definitely noticeable when you walk by Reed's room. Then moving on to some more fun ones, possibly a little inappropriate for kids, but we had a customer who absolutely loves pineapples, and so we put together this surprise piece that hopefully they will enjoy. It is a naughty pineapple. We don't think we need to describe exactly what's going on here, but hopefully this bright, colorful piece will get a few laughs for anyone that walks by and happens to see this in their living room. And then finally, we have, for the gamers, this quite large PS4 controller. Again, big, bright, colors can be changed. This one we happen to go with blue because the controller itself typically has the blue light on it. We try to get the buttons all highlighted, and we added this loading bar at the top just to kind of give it that game feel of waiting for your game to load. But overall, another big, large piece, good for any gamer in the family, and great for this holiday season. So those were the 11 new products that you guys have asked for this month. If you guys want to see something else, please reach out to me. You can send an email. You can comment in the comments down below. Ask for what you want me to make. I'll try to put it together, and if I can get it done in time, we'll do another video in a couple of weeks showing the things that you've requested. So hit that like button, subscribe, leave your comments, email me, reach out, and we'll start making you what you want to see next time. Thanks, guys. Until next time, we'll see ya.